What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? Back with a new video. Look at this bad boy I just picked up. It is a S&S 89. Look at that. I picked it up in Lemoore, California for free 99. We believe that? Free. So I'm gonna be showing you the inside, the outside. As you can see, like the previous owner did try to fix it up front. Where are we going? Fix it right up in here, you know. It's a little janky up there. He said he used flex tape, which is a flex glue, so it doesn't look that great, but you know, you can't beat it. There is some dry rot on the inside. I can fix it. So it's up in that corner, right in there. So it's somewhere because of that glass, or it's actually not glass, it's plastic, but the S&S, it's 89. It weighs 2,100 pounds dry, and they say about add another 1,000 pounds for wet. But look at this thing. Let's go take a look around it. So S&S 89, it is 10.5 feet. Sorry for the shakiness. It is super clean. This needs to get redone. It's kind of jacked up right there, but the roof is tin. So I talked to the previous owner, and the roof has, he said he peeled back the top. So let's go on the inside. So this is the inside. I have to use a ladder to get on or in. Looks pretty good. It looks really good. It has a newer AC unit. Not very old. The guy said he only used it twice and he barely purchased it. All that light. So up in this corner, look at this. That is where the mold is. So I'll be fixing that in some YouTube videos. Fairly, well, it's not new, but it's the original stove. Looks really good still. I cleaned everything. So it has been cleaned. That's the only thing. It was just dusty. But everything just got cleaned with those paper towels. And that was about it. And here's the sink. Everything works. I got a really killer deal. Look at this. I did throw a battery in it. It does not have a fridge. So he said that the original fridge didn't work and they just threw in a mini fridge, but he took it. But yeah, I'll just purchase a fridge and put it in. And then here's the seats. I'm gonna be reupholstering these. But look. Let's turn the light on in here. So, super nice. This corner needs to be fixed, but other than that, it looks pretty good. There's not like weird smells too. Let me shut this off. So yeah, that is the S&S camper. Water pump works, everything works, AC works, and it was all free, guys. I can't believe it. So I did get a killer deal. There was a whole bunch of well, there's the bracket right there. There's curtains hung up right there. I took them down. I went to wash them and I fucked them up, so. They did not like to wash it. There's curtains there. There's curtains all over the place, so. I would just be putting new curtains in, but yes. We're gonna be doing adventures in this thing, like, a lot. So me, the dogs, my wife, so. I'm gonna be also fixing it up and I'll be doing some YouTube videos on that, so. Hope you guys like and subscribe and we'll see how we go. I'm super stoked. I am stoked. I am still gonna be building the other camper, so don't you worry. And but I'm gonna be focusing quite a bit of my time on this thing. So alright guys. See you guys. Appreciate it. And see you on the next one. And it's probably gonna be like fixing up some things. I'm gonna eventually get to this wood rot and yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So, all right, guys, see ya.